something is smelling. Can you perceive it? It's a very nice scent, delicious scent. It's smelling like stew. Hi. Fried chicken, fried turkey, fried goat meat, fried cow meat. Everything is just smelling around here. Hi. Hi. Are you perceiving it? Are you not perceiving it? Hey, I tell you, it's Christmas by smelling. Christmas is scenting. In Mercy Divine Properties Limited, I say Christmas don't they smell inside October. Christmas they smell with one bag of rice, one bag of full basket of hamper, with gallon of vegetable oil and carton of Indomie. For you, all you need to do is to buy one plot of new Banana Highland and pay your money, collect your document and get peace of mind. New Banana Highland is selling for 7 million naira for one plot. While Primerose Court, where be service estate inside this New Banana Highland, is selling for 12 million naira. Hey! All of them dey inside New Banana Highland and is located just off Odili Road in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria, West Africa. So anywhere where you dey hear me from, USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Malaysia, anywhere where you dey, South Africa, Ghana, anywhere, quickly call Madam Good News, the Good News Mama, aka Madam Peku Africa, on 090-34296519. Come collect your own plot of New Banana Highland with all this Christmas Ogbonge package wey come am. Christmas came very early here at New Banana Highland, and I want you to partake in that early arrival because our miracle, our blessings need to touch your body. You hear me? So quickly call me, and the number again to call is 090-34296519. Madam Peku Africa, they wait for you for office. Bye.